Hey everybody, it's Nabil Mullah with you here again today. Today I'm here to show you the brand new Nighthawk AX12 router. Now, in order to get this router, you have to join Netgear's Premier Beta program. And what that is, you go online to, I don't know what the website is. Just Google it, I guess. But you go online, you sign up for it, and what it is basically a lease for your router. And in addition to leasing the router, you get, I guess, priority customer service, and you get a warranty the whole time that you have the router. And they have different plans available. You can do it month by month. You can do it, I think, a 1-year plan and a 2-year plan. There's different price ranges. The 2-year plan, which is what I went with, is $20 a month. The 1-year plan is $25 a month, and I think you're going $30 a month to do it month by month. It says in their terms and conditions that upgrades will be available. So, you know, maybe if a new technology or something comes out within the 2 years, if you sign up for the 2 years, you can upgrade, just turn this one in and upgrade to the newer unit. So that's a little bit about the program, and this is what you get. Once you join up for the program, they ship it FedEx. I think there's a $10 fee, just like a registration fee for the program, and that with that fee, you're paying basically for the shipping of the product. So it came overnight FedEx. It didn't ship the same day I ordered, it shipped the following day. So 2 days after I signed up for the program, I got my new router. All right, and when you open the box, first thing you get is this envelope, black envelope, that's basically just a welcome letter saying thank you for joining the beta program and that good stuff. So let's get into the box and see what all it has to tell us about this new product. All right, so as you can see by the front of the box, it looks kind of like Kylo Ren's ship. This is the AX12. It's a 12-stream AX Wi-Fi router. AX is the newest Wi-Fi technology, and this is model number AX120, or I guess better known as AX6000, and it says that it offers up to 4 times the performance of AC Wi-Fi. Improved network capacity for more Wi-Fi devices. So in today's era with all the smart home devices, you probably don't even realize how many things you've got going on your Wi-Fi at once. This should help to make everything work smoothly together and really optimize your bandwidth and your internet speeds from your internet service provider. 12-stream Wi-Fi with up to 1200 plus 4800 megabits per second for ultra-fast wireless speeds. More Wi-Fi for more devices. OFDMA allows efficient data transmission up to 8 devices at the same time. Up to 8 simultaneous Wi-Fi streams. 8-stream MU-MIMO enables up to 4 2x2 devices to stream content at the same time. Maximized range. 8 antennas extend wireless range coverage indoors and out. AX optimized powerful processor. 64-bit 2.2 gigahertz quad-core processor ensures smooth 4K UHD streaming and gaming, ideal for gigabit internet speeds. Multi-gig Ethernet port, 5G, 2.5G, 1G, 5 times the wired speed of typical gigabit Ethernet port. It's got Smart Connect, intelligently selects the fastest Wi-Fi band for every device connection, one Wi-Fi name for the entire home, Nighthawk app, easily set up your router and get more out of your Wi-Fi. It includes remote access to manage your network away from home. AX Wi-Fi supports all current Wi-Fi devices, and it's backward compatible with A, B, G, N, and AC client devices. And this can be voice controlled by Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant. New multi-gig wired speeds. Wait less and do more with up to 5 times faster wired data speeds. All right, here's what you get inside the box. You get the router. You get an Ethernet cable, quick start guide, and a power adapter. And here's the technical specs. I'll just leave that up here for a second so you can take a look. And security, system requirements, and warranty information. All right, let's open up the box and see what we got inside. All right, here we go. Right on top, you've got the router. There you go. Pretty good size router. Under that, got some paperwork. We'll look at that in just a minute. Then we've got the Ethernet cable. And finally, the power. First thing you've got is the quick start guide. There you see that. Next, you've got just an advertising pamphlet for Netgear products. And a sheet that tells you how to update the firmware. The Ethernet cord is flat. That's about all there is that's remarkable about that. And the power cord, that's a big brick. And there's the other end. Let's get to the router. At my house, I've got Spectrum internet, and I get 400 gigabits per second, but still, especially in the evenings when I've got everybody at the house, plus extra people at the house, and everybody's on their devices and streaming and on the laptop, on the phones, the streaming tends to suffer a little bit. It kind of will get a little pixelated at times, like it's wanting to buffer. So hopefully this will take care of that. Okay, so here is the router itself. The wings open up. Got a little padding in here. I'll let you take a look at it. It's got the protective film on right now. I'll take that off. Okay, so here it is. I've got all the protective film off. So on the bottom, you've got your Wi-Fi network name. It has the network key and the serial number and the MAC address. That's all on the bottom, as well as some foot pads and some venting. Here you've got all the hookups in the back. Okay, so left to right, we've got the on-off. You've got 4 Ethernet ports outgoing. You've got the incoming internet port, multi-gig Ethernet port. There's the reset button, 2 USB ports, power button, and the power cord port. So here it is all set up. Setup was super easy. Here's my old router. There's the model of the old one for comparison. The new one's just a little bit bigger. As far as setup went, it was basically just a matter of unplugging the old router and plugging in the new one. I did have to download the Nighthawk app and just did the setup through that. Couple of prompts, and that was it. Had to update the firmware through the app. That was super easy. Everything went well. So there it is. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love it if you subscribed, gave me a thumbs up. That'd be super cool. And I'll catch you on the next video.